all made possible by lottery players just like you.
Numbers rounded. Must be 18 or older to purchase. Statistics and figures are from the 2017 Washington Lottery Comprehensive Annual Financial Report.
You're a 12. And that means you know what a lot of things are worth. Like a supersized TV, tasty game time snack,